Welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. How are you guys doing? Hope all is moving well with you guys. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is how to make a step-by-step best coconut chips. And the crispy and yummy stuff you are seeing on the table is the beautiful result of it all. Please, if you want to know how I came up with this your delicious result, keep watching. To all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. I can't be here today if not for your support. And to you that has not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like our video, share our video, and always drop your comment to encourage us. So without further ado, let's get started. So the recipes we have today for the step-by-step best coconut chips are our coconut. We have 2 coconuts here set on the table already. The next recipe we have is our honey. You can see it on the table. I just decided to use honey today because it gives my coconut chips a delicious taste. If you want to try out this recipe, you can use honey just as I do, or you can better still use white or brown sugar. You can as well prepare it like that without adding anything at all because coconut on its own is sweet. Right now, these are my coconut. As you can see, I want to start breaking it, but before I start doing that, I want to use my wine opener to pierce the head of the coconut for just 2 reasons. 1, for water not to splash all over my body when breaking it, and 2, for the water in the coconut to come out clean without particles. Can you see I've opened it? Now I want to drain out the water. Can you see how clean the water looks like? It's free from particles. The kids can drink it if they want, or anybody in the house. Can you see how clean it is? So right now, after draining the water out from the coconut, I want to break the coconut with my kitchen butcher. You can break yours with hammer or anything that you know that will be easy for you. After breaking it, I will prime the meat out from the shell and then wash it and get back to you. Right now I'm done with the coconuts. I finished cleaning it. As you can see the back, I scraped the back, that is the black side. Can you see how clean it is? You can still achieve that with your potato scraper or with your kitchen knife. Let me show you how I achieve that clean back. For you to get the best out of your coconut chips, you must clean the back, okay? I'm done doing this. This is my coconut. I want to start. That is not cutting in the way I like. You can cut yours anyhow you like. The way you cut it does not really matter. What matters is to make sure that your coconut chips comes out nice. This is my potato scraper. You can use the top side to dice it also if you want, but I prefer using my knife. Let's start cutting it. Can you see the size? I am very much comfortable with that size. This is how I will keep cutting it one after the other until I am done. And when I'm done, guys, I will sure get back to you, okay? Right now, I've finished cutting my chips. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? You can cut yours like this, smaller or bigger than this. The next thing I want to do is to turn it inside my bowl. After turning it inside my bowl, on this stage you can add your white or brown sugar if you want. But for me, I'm not going to add all that. You can as well add your vegetable oil if you want. But for me, the only thing I'm going to add in is my honey, so that anybody at all can eat the coconut chips. If you add the sugar and all that, some people will tell you that they don't want to eat because of the sugar in it. Right now, I will start mixing it after adding my honey, and I will mix it until it is well mixed. Can you see that it is well mixed now? Yeah. So the next thing is to take it to my oven tray. I will spray it on my oven tray, and I will spray it out so that it will really dry well. So after spraying it, I will now take it to my oven. On this stage, I will be coming to check it after 5 minutes to make sure it do not get burnt. After which I will get burnt. Right now, let's check the coconut chips and see how it's doing. Wow, this is so colorful and lovely. Can you see that? Can you see how crispy it looks like? Remember, before now I've been checking it 5 minutes to make sure it do not burn. You don't just have to put it in the oven and leave it. If not, it will burn. You have to be checking it after 5 minutes. Can you see how crispy it looks like? On this stage, our step-by-step best coconut chips is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, the step-by-step best coconut chips is ready. As you can see, it's set on the table. It is so crispy and yummy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy what you see today. This is all we have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.